What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dude, that was great.
It's Brad, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
What's up, guys? Before we jump into the video today, I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Bullet Antenna, the original Bullet Antenna. Make sure you guys hit the link in the description, check out their Instagram, check out their stuff. They've got awesome stuff. They got all kinds of different designs, colors, interchangeable stuff. They've got it all. They also are the sister company, or I think they're the same company, to True Spike lug nuts. I've got the True Spike lug nuts on mine. They're kind of dirty right now, so don't pay attention to it, but I absolutely love them. I've got the same 50 cal True Spike lug nuts as the Bullet Antenna up here. I love them so much. They've got a great color, great quality. The prices are very reasonable, and they have huge sales going on all the time, so make sure you guys go check them out. Links in the description below for their Instagram. Let's jump into the video. What is going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing today? Oh man, it's a great day. It's a cold day. We are at the shop. As always, we're always at the shop. That's where I work. We're always at the shop. Anyway, so we got a lot of stuff going on in this video. Stay tuned. I know some of you guys are getting tired of seeing the Tahoe lighting, and I understand that. We're doing a lot of stuff, a lot of lighting to the Tahoe, a lot of back and forth with the lighting on the Tahoe, but there's a lot of truck content coming. I promise we're taking some trips. We got some truck meets coming. We've got all kinds of stuff going on, so just bear with me. That stuff will come and go, and its time will come and go. But in today's episode, are these episodes? I guess they're episodes. Anyway, today we got two things on the list today. One, we're putting Cadillac taillights on the Tahoe. That's pretty awesome. That's something different that I don't see a lot, but it's still lights. I know you guys are getting tired of lights. It's okay, but that's what we're doing today. We're doing that, and some things have happened, and we're ripping the tent off of the inside of the Tahoe. So I will explain that later on with you guys, but just know we're ripping the tent off and we're putting some cool stuff on the Tahoe. So we're putting it all into one video today. So stay tuned. It's gonna get crazy. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. The Tahoe's on the way. I've got the lights with me. Let's run inside and start this install. So, what do you guys think? Smoke or no smoke? I think we should probably tint them. I think that's the plan. Tint those. I need to hold this. Look at that cute guy over there. What do you see in there, doctor?
Don't be scared, okay? Oh God. But I don't think that. Oh, coming through. You see it? Yep.
Ooh, that's better.
Dang. Turn off some of the, ooh. You like that? And boom, just like that. Cadillac taillights. You can't tell what it is. No badges, no lights, no nothing. I think that looks really good. Huge shout out to Lewis again for, whoa. What? Look at my, oh, look at, oh. Huge shout out to Lewis for always helping us out. You're the man. Follow him on Instagram, El Morgallo. His link is in the description below. If you guys are ready to see me rip off the 5% windshield tint, make sure you guys stay tuned. We're jumping into that next. We're gonna go get something to eat. We might do that today, we might do that tomorrow, I don't know, but in YouTube terms, it's gonna happen in like 5 seconds. So I'll see you guys there. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of that video. The first part of that video obviously was us putting in the new Cadillac taillights. Huge shout out to Lewis for helping us out. I really like how those lights turned out. They look really good. And I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of driving cinematics that we got with that as well. They look really good at night. I know she is super happy with them. And y'all need to make sure to follow her on Instagram below, thisy.bowtie. Make sure to follow her on Instagram. Let's help get her to 1,000. But the part of the video that you all have been waiting for, we're ripping this 5% windshield tint off. But first, I think you guys deserve an explanation.
A few moments later.
Whichever side, doesn't really matter. Oh man, so we're ripping the 5% windshield tint off today. Why, you might ask? Not because of the cops, but because I don't really know why, actually. We're just gonna do it. Actually, there is a reason. So this past weekend, for whatever reason, Atlanta's ruining my truck. That's gonna be a whole nother video that we're doing. There's so many issues, little issues with the truck right now. We have a plan to get them all fixed, so don't stress, but I'm making a whole video about all the little things that I need to get fixed on the truck. It's all costing me a nice little bit of money, so you guys stay tuned for that. That video is coming soon. But my windshield started leaking. Yes, my windshield started leaking in the little area above where your lights are and your sunglass holder and your garage door. That started leaking this past Saturday, and I don't know why. I've talked with a couple people. I've talked with the guys that do the windshield installs at my shop. They don't really know what's going on, but I have gotten into contact with my insurance company. They are going to completely replace the windshield for free, and then while it's off, I'm going to get them to take a look at the moldings and the seals on the roof of the body of the roof. So we're going to get it all fixed, but I say all that to say the windshield is going to get replaced tomorrow, and what better thing to do than rip the windshield tint off for you guys? And that's what we're gonna do today. So Cody's getting it started a little bit, but yes, it is gonna be me. We're gonna leave all the glue on it. We're gonna leave everything on it. We are just gonna rip the windshield tint off in one big go. Hopefully it stays in one piece, and we're just gonna have fun with it. So that's what we're doing here today. I sat down in the chair because I wanna be a little more professional for you guys. You guys deserve it. The bread gang deserves it. I love you guys. So we're gonna rip this tint off. We are gonna put tint back on it. I don't know what percent we're gonna do. I really like the 5, to be honest. I'm probably gonna end up going back with 5%, but enough talking. I'm gonna I think Cody's just about to have the corner off so we can go rip this tint off. I'm excited. I've seen somebody do this on Instagram. I've never, like rip tint off. I've only seen somebody do it once on Instagram. I'm sure there's other people that have done it, but I'm pretty excited.
Hey, you're gonna be the first one, my guy.
The first one?
Yes, sir.
To do what?
To be that cool guy to rip the 5% tint off. And throw some more tint on.
Throw some more tint on.
Take some more off. And some more on. Because you're a baller.
I'm excited.
Look at this. That's a pretty cool.
So Cody's gonna get the steamer out, and he's gonna get one of the little corners off for me first. Oh, that looks so terrible. It doesn't matter. It's getting replaced tomorrow. This is gonna pain me so much to do this, but it's gotta get replaced anyway. So. Yeah, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning and the sun is gonna burn my face off. I'm not gonna have any eyebrows left because it's not gonna have any windshield tint. I'm gonna be like fish bowled. All the sun is just gonna zoom right onto my face in the morning, and I'm not gonna know what to do with myself. I'm gonna need sunscreen on the way to work in the morning.
Hold on, it's like tilted. There we go. That's a little better.
Make sure to tighten it. There we go. Ah, look. I thought this was a plastic knife at first.
It's actually called the bone.
What do you hand me this for? Are we good?
No, that's still.
Done.
The torch is handed over to that wide bow tie.
You need to film for me more often. That's funny. All right, so.
Oh, we're about to add a few things up in this video.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Strip for us. Strip that tint.
So we need to like.
Kind of like get it at an angle and then. So, just like, yeah, just hit the corner. You don't want to hit it with the metal end. Just kind of steam it around the corners and then use that piece. There you go.
Piece.
That was probably an old piece too.
The first piece. I'm working.
There you go.
Here,
just don't be so aggressive, man.
Huh? Put that on the dash.
Be gentle. Here, hand that side over. We'll spread it across the dash here. Oh no.
I need that.
Your dash can get wet. It's a truck. All right, calling in the professional.
Yeah, call in the professional. Yeah, take over. Come get this. I just need it started so I can get it off.
That stripping was horrible.
Yeah, that's terrible.
That only deserves like $1. You little stripper, you. Cody, come on. Come make the 5.
Oh, wait, where did this money come from? I'm like, is that money?
All right, you ready to go? Oh, wow. Look at that.
What the heck?
And that is why we are professional window film installers, not just tinners.
All right, leave it, let me do it. Oh.
All right, now it's ready. Now it's ready, bro.
Oh, man. No, don't get the windows. I don't need those heated up.
There it goes. I forgot to hit the red button.
Oh my goodness.
But we are good to go. Rip it.
That scared the shit out of me.
Come on, man. You got to strip for us.
Oh no, I gotta come to that side.
So what you want to do, here, this is the secret. You want to put more tension towards the bottom and pour towards the bottom. There you go. Get the rest of that and come and loop back around. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh yeah. With some glue. That's actually not too bad. The glue's pretty clear.
Yeah, the glue, yeah, that actually wasn't too bad.
But we're not gonna take the time to clean all that up. Why is that?
Like I had said previously, the windshield's getting replaced tomorrow, so I could care less about the glue. And there you have it. The 5% windshield tint is no more. That was fun. That's, I don't know if you guys laughed, but that first little, just scared the hell out of me. That was fun. I can't wait to do that again at some point. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for hitting that button to check out this video. That means so much to me that you guys watch the videos. I have more merch, more ideas, more everything on the way. I'm constantly always new things to bring to you guys, new merch, new ideas, new everything. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for stopping back by the channel. Like I said, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much to Zach at EXZACT Window Tinting, Zach and Cody, for everything that they do, allowing me to come do this and have fun at, I guess it's my expense because I pay for it most of the time. But thank you so much to those guys. Make sure if you are in the Atlanta area and you need tinting, wrapping, paint protection, all of it, they do all of it. It's going to be linked in the description below. And they have an awesome wrap guy that works with them now. So make sure you guys hit him up. His link is in the description below as well. I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys later. Let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it going to focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom_F150. Follow my man right here. We're not going to do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.